Waste management service in Rosemount, Minnesota. When it comes to waste management service in Rosemount, Minnesota, Done Right Dumpsters is your trusted solution. Whether you're renovating your home, cleaning out your garage, or handling construction waste, we provide dumpsters of various sizes to fit your needs. Our services cater to both residential and commercial projects, making cleanup efficient and stress-free. At Done Right Dumpsters, we prioritize excellent customer service. Our team works with you to ensure you choose the right dumpster for your project, and we offer flexible scheduling for delivery and pickup. We understand that every job is different, which is why we tailor our services to meet your specific requirements. Our team is dedicated to ensuring your project stays on track, with prompt and reliable dumpster delivery. We pride ourselves on transparent, affordable pricing with no hidden fees. With Done Right Dumpsters, you only pay for what you need, ensuring a cost-effective solution for waste disposal. We are committed to helping you complete your project on time and with minimal hassle, providing a seamless experience from start to finish. For reliable waste management services in Rosemount, Minnesota, call Done Right Dumpsters today at 612-403-5999. Let us help keep your project organized, clean, and on schedule. With our dependable, convenient, and affordable dumpster rentals, you can focus on what matters most: getting the job done right.